Hey everyone, Alex here, back with another video. Now today we are going to be showcasing the Armour Detail Supply Ceramic Spray Sealant, or commonly known as CSS. So with this can be used as a drying aid situation or as a standalone protection. You can certainly use it over top of a ceramic coating, that's no problem there. Or if you have nothing on the vehicle like this Challenger here, then you can apply it straight just by itself. Now, a little bit of backstory with this Challenger is that this is only summer driven and it's being put away for winter as we speak. So we're just gonna apply this on here, get it nice and cleaned up and ready to go, because the user does put a car cover on here. So, just add a little bit of protection. It is indoors with a car cover, but again, just kind of helps anything. But then once that spring hits, my goodness, she's gonna be popping, okay? So we are gonna be using a Creature Edgeless from the right company here. Now I have it folded into 4. Now if you saw my full book video, same kind of towel. So again, with this kind of stuff, you want to give her a good shake and then you want to actually apply it to the towel. So if we read the directions directly, basically shake well, put directly onto a towel and evenly apply. And then, obviously just a section at a time, so you don't have a hood or whatever. And then if you do, certainly use a secondary towel to remove any excess residue. I'm going to try just the one with just the flip, because you do have 8 sides to this. And if you do want to add a little bit more after the fact, you can wait about an hour and then slap a second coating on there. Now, full disclosure, we're not going to do any water behavior tests, not doing any torture tests. I'm just going to be showing you how to apply the product and then give you my feedback. So we're going to bring in and we're going to take a look and see how it applies to this Challenger. Okay, so with this Challenger, it does have the shaker hood and it does have the factory vinyl, and then it has paint protection film. So we kind of have all 3 materials here. We have paint, we have film, we have vinyl, we have plastic, you name it. So just do a few sprays here. I could probably adjust. And this is totally safe on the film. No issues there, and it's a little bit of plastic. Just have a nice fruity scent. I'm just gonna try and go for about half here. Work that in, flip it over, and quickly buff off. And if you're vertically challenged like I am, you can open the door, give a few spritz, and then now I can reach the middle of a Challenger. And again, I'm throwing this on the glass. I'm only gonna do half the roof in this area here. Flip that over. And this really does not have any darkening effects on the vinyl, so you don't need to worry about that. But pretty slick on removal for sure. And the towel is nice because obviously you can have a lot of control with it. You're not going to be, overspraying on surfaces you've either already been or haven't been to yet. So the towel is a nice option to maintain control. So here we're back at the back glass and the trunk lid. So again, a few spritz on here. So I have flipped my towel already, just on the other sides. So the feeling on the vinyl, really, really nice. Again, doesn't darken anything. Is quite slick. A couple more spritz, and I'm very close to the towel. Okay, so I'm not getting overspray all over the place. Now, for those wondering, the conditions in here, I'm about 13 degrees Celsius, and it's the long sleeve, and about 45% humidity, and I'm having no issues. Now, I have seen a lot of videos with this stuff in regards to longevity claims. And I understand people want the fastest, easiest, spray on, last for the rest of your life situation. Now, this is not that, okay? I think we're probably 3 to 6 months depending on the conditions. And again, this is being stored for the winter and only driven in the summer. So the longevity on this is gonna be much greater than your daily driver. So keep that in mind. That being said though, the cost is relatively inexpensive. The ease of application is there. And so you can just keep applying it and not have any issues. So I think you just gotta have fun with it. So as long as you use something like the ADS Decon soap, When you wash it, really decon it, follow up with the shampoo plus, give it a wash, have fun with it, apply it. It's not a big deal if you remove it and then re-add it. I mean, there's a lot in this bottle and I'm not using very much. So, you know, certainly take longevity claims with a grain of salt. I mean, if you want to stick by them, you do you. But overall, I think it's a great product. So we'll finish the car and we'll give you the final thoughts. All right, so that's a quick application overview of the Armour Detail Supply Ceramic Spray Sealant. Now, this is an SiO2 infused product, obviously. Now, with this car being a Challenger, it had vinyl, it had plastic. I did all the glass, front, rear, sunroof, side. It has PPF on the front, it has painted surfaces, it's got it all. A great candidate for a video for this product because, again, it's safe on everything, all right? Listen, took me about 8 minutes to go around the entire vehicle. I had one towel. A car this size, I'd probably go 2. But again, you have 8 sides, you fold it around, have one wet side, one dry side, and just rotate as you go along. Very easy application. I wasn't getting any streaking whatsoever. Again, like I said, it's fairly cool in the garage, but that's okay. There was a tiny bit of streaking on the glass, but it flashed just like that, you know, once you thought something was there. So again, this product, ADS has absolutely been killing it. Brad and DJ are phenomenal people. And if there's phenomenal people with the company, I tend to support those and they support me as well. And I really appreciate them. Up in the Great White North, you have TOC Supplies and Carzilla.ca to pick up these fantastic products. Bucky BW saves you some cash. Definitely does help out the channel to give videos like this. And down in South, you have Armour Detail Supply and TRC just brought on Armour Detail Supply. How freaking cool is that? And if you are interested in those, Bucky BW at Armour Detail Supply will save you some cash as well. No promo codes for TRC, but hey, stay tuned to their Instagrams. They've always got great ambassadors with codes. You can take advantage of those as well. Now, awesome, awesome product. Again, longevity, who cares? Okay, I did not use very much. Okay, the bottle here, I only used that much. It's about an ounce, maybe 30 mils. Just have fun with cleaning your car, guys. Okay. You have all these discounts available. You can save a whole whack of cash. Use some decon soap, shampoo plus, whatever decontamination soap you want and shampoo you like. Clean up the car, reapply it, have fun with it, and just go for it, okay? Keep cleaning fun again, all right? And you can protect your car in 8 minutes with this, okay? Even if you have a coating already, you can still put it on. Not a big deal. So drop a like if that's what you're into. Subscribe if you want to be around for the long haul, and we'll see you in the next video.